Hello and welcome to Call of Chemistry. In this video, we will discuss about some concentration terms. So let's start. What does it mean by 500 ml 10 molar NaOH solution? So 500 ml 10 molar NaOH solution. 10 molar NaOH solution means 1000 ml solution contains 10 moles of NaOH. So 1 ml contains 10 by 1000 moles of NaOH and 500 ml solution contains 10 into 500 by 1000 moles of NaOH. So 5 moles of NaOH. Therefore, that solution contains 5 moles of NaOH. Now, to calculate the molarity of a solution after dilution, a formula is used. What is that? That is M1V1 is equal to M2V2, where M1 is initial molarity, V1 is initial volume, M2 is molarity of new solution, and V2 is volume of new solution. To understand that formula, we will discuss a problem. So the problem tells you are given 250 ml 10 molar NaOH solution and asked to prepare 30 ml 8 molar NaOH solution. How much volume of 10 molar solution is needed and how much volume of water is to be added? So let us solve that problem. According to that formula, if we apply that formula, we get that 10x is equal to 8 into 30, where 10 molar is the initial concentration and x, let us suppose x ml is the volume of 10 molar solution is taken. Sorry. So and 8 molar is the new 8 molar is the concentration of the new solution and 30 ml is the volume of the new solution. From that we can calculate the value of x. X is equal to 8 into 30 by 10 is equal to 24 ml. So we can find that 24 ml of 10 molar NaOH solution is needed to prepare 8 molar 30 ml 8 molar NaOH solution. And what will be the volume of water added? It is 30 minus 24 ml. 6 ml of water is added. Here we can get a clear idea of the formula and its application. Now we move on to the normality. So what does it mean by 1 normal H2SO4 solution? It means that 1000 ml solution contains 1 gram equivalent of H2SO4. Now what is that gram equivalent? To know about gram equivalent, we have to discuss about equivalent weight. What is equivalent weight? The equivalent weight of H2SO4 is molecular weight of H2SO4 upon basicity of H2SO4. And molecular weight, what is the molecular weight of H2SO4? There are 2 hydrogen are there, 2 plus 1 sulfur, that is 32, and 4 oxygens are there, and 64. And what is the basicity? H2SO4 dissociates as follows: 2H plus SO4 2 minus. So basicity is 2 as 2 protons are generated. So 2. So here you can find that equivalent weight of H2SO4 is 98 by 2, that is 49. So equivalent weight of H2SO4 is 49. That means 1 gram equivalent of H2SO4 means 49 gram H2SO4. So 1 normal H2SO4 means 1000 ml solution contains 1 gram equivalent of H2SO4, and here we find that 1 gram equivalent of H2SO4 means 49 gram of H2SO4. So 1000 ml solution contains 49 gram of H2SO4. So here we conclude that one normal H2SO4 contains 49 gram of H2SO4. Now we will discuss about the equivalent weight of a base. Equivalent weight of a base is molecular weight of that base by its acidity. Suppose as a base we consider calcium hydroxide, and it dissociates as follows: calcium 2 plus 2 OH minus. So molecular weight of calcium hydroxide is, for calcium it is 40, atomic weight of calcium is 40, and 2 oxygens are there, so it is 32, and 2 hydrogens are there, and the acidity is 2 equivalent of OH minus is generated from that solution, so here the acidity is 2, so it is 37. Hence 1 gram equivalent of calcium hydroxide is 37 gram of calcium hydroxide. Now we will discuss about equivalent weight of a salt. Equivalent weight of a salt is molecular weight of the salt and upon number of cations into charge of cation. Now what is that? To understand this, we have to dissociate the salt. Suppose we take a salt like aluminum sulfate. It is dissociates as follows: 2Al 3 plus 3SO4 2 minus. How can I dissociate like that? It is depicted by a formula, or you can say that it is a trick, that a salt like AXBY dissociates as follows: XAY plus YB X minus. So here X is 2 and Y is 3. So X here is 2, XAY plus 2Al3 plus Y is 3, and YB X minus, so Y is 3, and sulfate is B, and here X is 2 and 2 minus. So here it is a very important trick to find out how a salt dissociates. Now we calculate the equivalent weight of aluminum sulfate. So molecular weight of aluminum sulfate is 342, and number of cations and charge of cations. So here number of cations is 2 and charge of cations is 3. So here 2 into 3. So here we can calculate that it is 57. Therefore, 1 gram equivalent of aluminum sulfate is nothing but 57 gram of aluminum sulfate. Now, what do you mean by 2 normal aluminum sulfate? It means that 1000 ml solution contains 2 gram equivalent of aluminum sulfate. Now, 2 gram equivalent of aluminum sulfate is how much gram of aluminum sulfate? We can calculate. Here we see that previously 1 gram equivalent of aluminum sulfate is 57 gram of aluminum sulfate. So 2 gram equivalent of aluminum sulfate is 57 into 2 gram of aluminum sulfate, that is 114 gram of aluminum sulfate. Now we will discuss about the equivalent weight of an ion. So equivalent weight of an ion is basically the formula weight of ion upon valency of that ion. If we consider sulfate ion equivalent weight, what is the equivalent weight of sulfate? That is formula of sulfate. So sulfur is 32, 4 oxygens are there, 64, by valency of sulfate, so is 2, because valence is 2, and it is found that 96 by 2, that is 48. This is how we calculate equivalent weight of various species. Now we move on to a new topic, that is relation between molarity and normality. Relation between molarity and normality. You don't need to remember any formula. There is a trick which we will discuss to obtain between relation between molarity and normality. Suppose the system is H2SO4. Suppose the system is a solution of H2SO4, and then what is one normal of H2SO4? 1 normal of H2SO4 means 1000 ml molecular weight by 2 is 1 normal of H2SO4. We discussed previously that 1 normal H2SO4 is molecular weight of H2SO4 by basicity of H2SO4. So basicity is 2. So 1000 ml molecular weight by 2 is 1 normal H2SO4. Now 1000 ml molecular weight, this is just a trick, 2 normal of H2SO4. So it's cross multiplication and we get that 1000 ml molecular weight is equal to 2 normal of H2SO4. Now what is molecular weight? Molecular weight means weight of 1 mole. Molecular weight is weight of 1 mole of substance and 1000 ml 1 mole, this is nothing but 1 molar. Molecular weight is weight of 1 mole of substance and 1000 ml molecular weight is present there, so we can say that 1000 ml 1 mole is present, and in other words we say that 1 molar of that solute present. So here we can conclude that 1 molar is 2 normal. So for H2SO4, this is the relation of molarity and normality, that is 1 molar is equal to 2 normal. Now we move on to another case. Suppose we have to obtain relation between molarity and normality of aluminum sulfate. For aluminum sulfate, 1 normal aluminum sulfate is 1000 ml molecular weight by 6 is 1 normal aluminum sulfate. We have discussed earlier that normality of a salt is calculated by that formula, that molecular weight of the salt by number of cation into charge of cation. So here aluminum sulfate has number of cations 2 and charge of cation is 3, so it is 6. Now 1000 ml molecular weight by 6 is equal to 1 normal aluminum sulfate. So 1000 ml molecular weight is 6 normal aluminum sulfate. Now molecular weight is basically weight of 1 mole of the substance, and 1 mole of the substance present in 1000 ml is equal to 1 molar. So here 1 molar is equal to 6 normal. For aluminum sulfate, we derive that the relation between molarity and normality is 1 molar is equal to 6 normal. That is the way we can evaluate the relation between molarity and normality. This is the easy trick.